Welcome to CB030, the essentials of Couchbase engagement database technology. So what are you going to learn? To start, we're going to learn what this term engagement database means and how it's reflected in the Couchbase data platform. Technology keeps evolving, and that includes your data management approach. There will be about a 6-minute video, followed by a short quiz. Next, we'll take a look at JSON. What is it, and how does Couchbase leverage it to let you flexibly manage all that data streaming in through your engagements? Again, the video is followed by a short quiz. Then we'll start digging into Couchbase server itself to introduce the services each node can expose. We'll go further to examine specifically how each service delivers data to your customers and to other services. Then, because the data service is the heart of Couchbase, we'll explore the notion of data buckets and how they compare with a relational database as a top-level container. After that, it's off to the other end of the connection, your applications. We'll introduce how the Couchbase SDKs connect to Couchbase Server, including a fast API survey. Next, because sometimes stuff happens, we're going to survey how Couchbase delivers high availability and disaster recovery under successively more challenging scenarios. Then we'll dig into more details and specifics about each of the related features. We'll start pulling all this together by looking into the tools you'll use to drive your Couchbase cluster and take a tour of the user interface, a data loading tool, and how easy it is to configure replication among multiple data centers. Of course, security is critical, so we'll examine how Couchbase delivers roles-based access control and encryption to keep your data safe. Last, we'll show you how Couchbase thrives within the broad ecosystem of future-focused data management. We'll end with a final quiz, and for those who get this far, a certificate of completion. Are we making any assumptions about what you already know? No, not as to anything in particular. We just hope you're eager to learn how Couchbase works. Couchbase is powerful, enterprise-grade technology that also knows how to keep things simple. Strap in. Enjoy the ride.